troops under direct NATO command, backed by major air and naval power.
Well, aren't we just having a great time? Well, this is Howard from Avtransfers, and as I work, I kind of listen to the radio. I bought this retro radio not that long ago, okay, maybe about 10 years ago, new old stock, FM, AM, and longwave tuner. And I like to listen to medium wave. I listen a lot to LBC or Gold, I guess, when I feel like not listening to Spotify. And it keeps me company when I'm working, but occasionally I just got to turn the radio off because I feel ill about everything I hear in the news. It's like, wow. I mean, should I be buying tickets to Cuba or building a bunker, or just, what to do? Anyway, hopefully nothing needs to be done. Hopefully sense will return to Earth and humanity will be spared any more catastrophe. While I do that, I do videotapes. So busy doing a whole lot of tapes. It's been a busy spell. Very grateful for that. A lot of mini DV high 8 tapes coming in, hundreds literally, keeping me busy. And looking at new toys on the internet. I've got a lot of interesting projects. I really need to pull my finger out and actually do something about that. But what are we looking at today? Well, today is slightly off topic because, as you know, I have a great love of electronics. And my brother some time ago visited Japan. And he's also got a bit of an interest in these weird and wonderful things. And picked this up for me in Japan. And it's been sitting in a drawer. And I thought, oh, actually, let me play with that. So what we got here is a Sony Walkman. Yes, a Sony Walkman. Let's push play. Check at that. Go to your playback settings. No, we don't want playback settings. Let's choose a song. Oh, no. Let's try a song. Let's try folders. All files. Are we going to hear some sound? Okay, these are horrible headphones. But you'll hear them. There we go. It's not my tasty music, but the point of the matter is there. Let's have a look at this. Now, why do I like this Walkman? Well, I've always been a big fan of the Sony miniature media players. I've got a whole collection of the miniature radios, FM stereo ones, AM stereo ones, all sorts of weird and wonderful things. And this I really like because it's a media player. And it has a dual purpose. Let me explain. This is a USB memory stick. So it can be used and charged via a USB connection. Or you can plug it into your bigger player if you want to play something in it. And in this form factor of a USB stick, it has a full media player with a miniature OLED LED screen, which I really, really like. Let's try to get it a bit clearer. Let's see if the other lens will do this a better job of it. Yeah, I think it does actually. So there you get an idea. You've got your volume up and down. You've got your skip track forward and back here, your play, your pause, your headphone socket, and another socket. I think it's just a screw. And in this USB form factor, it's got a battery, a media player, and I think, let me choose if I can find my way back to the home button. You can go to FM radio and manual tune. Let's see. There we are. Okay, there you can see the Japanese frequency, 97.2. Does it go up to 108? Let's have a look. The Japanese FM band, I'm sorry, I'm talking absolute rubbish. The Japanese FM band traditionally was, I think, 76 megahertz up to 90, something funny like that. And then I think recently they've changed to the standard FM band, which is 88 to 108. Let's see. Oh, there it's going. Yeah, it's going right down. Okay, so this is the normal FM band it's going on. Okay, it's scanning. It's not picking up much because where we are in Borehamwood, we're sort of in a bit of a dip. And FM kind of just goes right over us. And the same goes for television. You have to get quite high up over here to get a decent signal. So it's not picking up anything. But we have great medium wave here because we are literally across the road are all the medium wave transmitters, and I need to actually go and do a tour of that. But there's like 5 huge antennas for medium wave. That's why I listen to medium wave. I literally can hear it coming out of the plug sockets if I put any kind of conductive unit onto the main supply. I've actually heard the radio coming out of the plug sockets. It's a long story. But that aside, I just really like this unit. So what model is this? Let's have a look. This is a 4 gigabyte. I would no doubt imagine they had other versions. I'm not too sure what year it was made, but this is a NWZ-B183F, and made in China. Okay, all right, I guess they're good at making this kind of stuff. But hey, I mean, just look at this. This is just kind of cool. The only problem is that once you've got an iPhone in your pocket, are you ever going to use this? But I love some of the Sony technologies. I think they really were like the original Apple. I mean, the stuff that they've done for much longer. I've got like a micro Sony computer, which I really need to do a show and tell on as well, which is a Vio, but like a really early Vio. It's tiny and it has a fingerprint scan and all sorts of things. So really cool tech. So if you like this kind of thing, let me know in the comments. And I'll do more of these, because being an AV nut, I'm not only interested in old stuff, but I'm interested in more modern stuff that's just cool. But yeah, just keeping up with the transfers, busy away. Zooming out of that again. And always busy doing transfers and doing other things at the same time. So that's today's toy. Howard from Avtransfers UK saying bye for now.